The certification was acceptable to the ICC because the DOJ is deemed a competent judicial authority by the ICC. We're not claiming to be.
Since
but
when
under the
did
system,
the DOJ become a judicial
No,
authority?
under the system of the ICC.
Justice Ascuna, I think
Justice
I'll
Ascuna
need your
said,
help here.
the Prosecutor General,
inaako na ng executive ang judicial power.
The prosecutor,
parang malabo na to.
Ma'am, the prosecutor in the ICC setup is part of the court. And that's why they're considered competent judicial authority, if I can understand it
Pero
properly.
kung maaalala natin,
I think we can ask Justice Ascuna.
ang saligang batas na sinumpaan natin, wala namang ganun.
Yes,
ang
ma'am.
court, maliwanag yung
It's the understanding of the ICC I'm explaining, ma'am.
Ay, nakakatuwa naman to. Saan tayo mauuwi ng ganito? Saan tayo mauuwi ng ganito? Ngayon, ang DOJ na ang korte. Ganon.
No, ma'am. No. It's just the understanding of the ICC.
Please make up your mind. Sabi mo, you have judicial power.
No, we don't have judicial power. Don't put we don't
authority.
put words into action that were not really said. What we're saying is that is the understanding of the ICC.
The same statement was made by your ASEC or USEC Clavano.
Yes, that is the understanding that the ICC has of the function of a prosecutor, because under their system, a prosecutor is part of the court and thus competent judicial authority. That is the ICC's way
And the same
of treating
prosecutor was in fact Filipino?
Well, to their
national.
understanding, it's competent judicial
Yung
authority
ICC
under the ICC.
prosecutor na Pakistani English naging Pinoy?
Well,
Sure ka?
ma'am, they have a different way of looking at judicial authority in the ICC.